In this demo, I will show you how to use dkNET Discovery Portal to find type 1 diabetes-related resources. dkNET Discovery Portal connects you directly to more than 200 biomedical databases and millions of resources. We unify the search across biomedical databases and the literature. User can quickly locate the exact information and the data of interest and explore community resources that are highly relevant to the disease field in NIDDK's mission. To go to Discovery Portal from dkNET homepage, dkNET.org, click Discovery Portal. You can also click Finding Image Phenotypes if you are interested in finding resources in these areas. At the Discovery Portal page, type in a keyword of your interest, for example, type 1 diabetes. And then click search. The keyword does not have to be the list under the drop-down box. You can add quotes if there are multiple words. If you select the terms from the drop-down list, the default search contains synonyms such as type 1 diabetes mellitus, insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus 1. If you only want to search the term type 1 diabetes, you can deselect the synonym here. From this search, the results show that we found about 176,000 results from 76 data sources that are type 1 diabetes related resource. Please note that we continue to ingest data from these biomedical databases. The demo is recorded in July 2021. The data might be different over time. You can then refine your search by different filters. Community filter allows you to see resources that are particularly important to the NIDDK researchers. These resources were pre-selected for inclusion by the NIDDK Information Network Steering Committee. You can turn on this filter or turn off this filter. By turning on, you will see there are less sources, which these are sources that selected by the committee, and you can also turn off this filter. You can refine your search by using the category filters. For example, if you are interested in data or model, you can select data or model box. You can further refine your search result by using subcategory filters. If you are interested in the expression data, you can click expression box. Now in the results, you can see there are 540 results from 6 sources out of 176,000 results from 77 data sources. You can mouse over each source to see the description of the source. You can also click the title of the source. This will bring you to a table view with detailed information about the result. Here is an example of Array Express table view. Based on the search result, there are 126 results found. You can refine the result by using facets, such as experimental type or organism, or by typing in keyword in search in each column. You can also sort the data. You can click a word cloud icon to see word cloud. For example, if I click the organism word cloud, this tells you that most data of this 126 data are from human sample. You can click show more columns to see more information in this table. If you want to work offline or save the data, you can click download results on the upper right corner of this table. You will receive a CSV file to work offline. To learn more about this data, dkNET brings you to the original data source. By clicking accession number, it brings you to a web page at Array Express. You can find more information and download the raw data or process data at the Array Express page. Hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have more questions about how to use dkNET, please feel free to contact us at info@dkNET.org or use the help desk on the lower right corner of the dkNET website.